Bob.
Okay, so me and this chick over here, we're gonna dance the Jai-Ho dance. Coolness. Hey, ready?
Okay.
All right, come here.
Christy, there's a guy at the door. There's a guy. I'll get it. I like how I'm completely freaked out. You so
So there's a UPS guy, right? And I saw him walking to the door. And I was like, Chrissy! Ah! Yeah, and so you probably heard the doorbell. That was a scary moment in my life. Scary moment in my life. What if you like just walked in and was like, I hate you?
Stop it. Come here, Misty.
Anyway, so now that distraction's over, how about we do our dance?
Yeah.
All right.
And your dog outside. No!
She probably needs to pee.
She out there. How did she keep opening the door? Why? She like opened it with her head.
She's so cute. She's gonna attack you when you open the door. We have to do our dance.
Boom, boom, pop. Boom,
Hey,
pop,
you.
pop, boom.
Sit. Shut up. Sit. Alright, let's do this.
We need to restart this. This is bad.
I know, but keep this one up because I want to post it. Bye.